How to use quick add feature in Trello mobile app. Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how you can use the quick add feature in the Trello mobile app. The quick add feature in the Trello mobile app allows you to quickly create new cards without navigating away from your current screen. And here is how to do it. The first step is to open your Trello app just like I have done here, and then once you've opened it up, just go ahead and click on the plus button usually found at the lower right corner of the screen to open the quick add menu. So yeah, you can see the different options, right? So just go ahead and type the card option, and here you can easily edit your card details without having to leave or without having to select a board. So now the next step is to type in the title for your new card and select the board and the list where you want the card to be added. So just select the board. For me, I'll be selecting my company board and then select the list. Okay, which kind of list do you want? Okay, I'll put in order to do, and then just type out the card name. Okay, so it could just be payment, all right, and then add the card description, and then after you're done, just add the due date. You can also add members. Okay, then you can also add attachments, and then once you're done, the next thing to do is to click on the save icon, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen, and then just like that, the card will be created. So this is basically how you can use the create add feature. You can see I didn't have to leave my screen before I could add a card to another board. So this is it. Make sure you try it out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.